Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Chen, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Radical Science. During my session, I will be separating fact from fiction when it comes to the human effects and the health effects of things like THC, CBD, and other rare cannabinoids from the cannabis and hemp plant. There is a ton of misinformation when it comes to cannabinoids, and that's because for nearly a century they've been illegal. And during this time, research has been heavily restricted as well. And even to this day, it's still very difficult for official human research on these cannabinoids. So, my job is to help you tease apart the myth from what's real and hopefully let you walk away with a better understanding of the similarities and the distinct differences and how these cannabinoids affect our human body, what dosages might be appropriate, what we know from human studies, and other areas of potential that are starting to emerge from the animal studies.